Enhance your professional communication with these keywords. Let's use them effectively. First, therefore introduces a logical conclusion or summary based on previous statements. Example: the data is clear, therefore we must proceed with the new strategy. Next, as a result, indicates a direct consequence or outcome of an event. Example: production increased by 10%. As a result, our profits rose significantly. However, introduces a contrasting idea or a statement against the previous one. Example: the plan seems robust. However, we anticipate some unforeseen challenges. While also shows contrast, often implying a concurrent but opposing situation or idea. Example: while the initial budget was tight, we still achieved our goals. Consequently, signifies something happens as a direct result of a previous action. Example: the market shifted rapidly. Consequently, we adapted our marketing strategy. Finally, use regarding to introduce a specific topic or subject of discussion, formally. Example: regarding your inquiry about the project, all details are in the report. Mastering these words improves formal writing and speaking. Practice using them daily.